chorus. Can you see it? I know it's not the best, but it's the best I could do to get it there. And it's entitled "It's Beginning to Rain." Now, it's not supposed to rain today, but we're looking for rain, showers of blessing from heaven. Let's all stand together and sing a little chorus. It's beginning to rain, and prepare your heart today for revival. If you need the... You know that? You don't have the notes, but somebody told me they didn't need them anyway, they couldn't read them. So you just have the words there. Okay, let's try it. It's beginning to rain. Hear the words of the Father, saying, whosoever will come drink of this water, I have promised to pour my Spirit out on your sons and your daughters. If you're thirsty and dry, look up to the sky. It's beginning to rain. One more time. It's beginning to rain. Hear the voice of the Father, saying, whosoever will come drink of this water, I have promised to pour my Spirit out on your sons and your daughters. If you're thirsty and dry, look up to the sky. It's beginning to